What's up guys, welcome to our channel eTechniz. In this video we will talk about how to fix msvcp140.dll missing, or we can say msvcp140.dll was not found. If you are facing this error on your PC, then you are on the right place to fix it. And I want you to watch the complete video before you opt for any step given in this video. So stay tuned and watch the complete video. Before going further, if you are new to this channel, then click on subscribe button, select all on the bell notification and give a thumbs up if you like this video and leave your feedback in the comment section. Before we start talking about the troubleshooting step, you have to understand few things which we gonna mention in this video, because we gonna talk about from basic to advanced. In most of the videos you have seen on YouTube, they just simply suggest you about the troubleshooting without explaining you the information of the computer. So it's really important to understand that they are running any kind of antivirus or not, as I have seen most of the experts are not running any kind of antivirus in the background or any kind of application in the background. So it's really important for you to understand, as you are the home user, you might have antivirus on your PC or you might be in the standard account. So in this video, I'm gonna explain you everything from basic to advanced so that you can perform that troubleshooting step without having any hurdles to solve msvcp140.dll missing error. Step 1. Administrator account. First of all, you have to keep in mind that you have to be in the administrator account if you want to perform any troubleshooting step. To check your administrator account, click on Windows icon, click on Settings. Here, click on Accounts. As you can see the information in here, eTechniz, the account information is the local account and this is the administrator account. I have the administrator right, that's why it's showing me administrator in here. If you do not have any administrator right, then you'll see standard in here. So it's really important for you to check this information so that you'll not face any problem while solving your errors. Step 2. Scan PC with Malwarebytes. Malwarebytes is one of the best software to scan a PC and delete the malwares or to block the malwares from a computer. Whenever you install the Malwarebytes, you get 14 days of trial in Malwarebytes so that you can see the performance of the Malwarebytes, how it performed to block unnecessary or infected file on your PC. To download the Malwarebytes, open the Google Chrome or any other browser you have on your PC. As you can see, I'm in tejadvice.com Safe Search. This is the safe search provided by the tejadvice.com and enhanced by the Google. And as I know about this website, they do not keep any kind of information about your search, and they just give you this option to keep your searches secure without showing you any malicious website in the results. Once you'll be on this page, you have to type download Malwarebytes. You can press enter or you can click on search. As you can see the listing in here, you have to click on this result, Malwarebytes download free antivirus scan and virus protection tool. Click on it. If you have a Mac PC, then you can download this software for Mac as well. As I am a Windows user, I'm gonna download this software in Windows PC. Let me install this software to show you how it looks like. Open this software, click yes, select personal computer and click on install, and here click on skip because you do not want Malwarebytes browser guard for free. If you want to keep it, you can click on yes install, or either you can click on skip. As you can see in here, click on get start and click maybe later, get started and click on scan. This will scan your PC and remove all the threats from your PC. Step 3. Download msvcp140.dll file. To download the file, open the browser, click here, download msvcp140.dll. Enter. As you can see the results in here, click on this option as it's showing you dll-files.com. Here, as you can see, the 64-bit version and the 32-bit version. You have to download the latest version from the top listings. Now, it's really important for you to check which bit version you are using. To check the bit version, click on Windows icon, click on Settings. Here, click on System. Now you'll get the About. Click on About and you can see 64-bit operating system x64 based processor. Now as we know we are 64-bit user, we will download both of them, 32-bit and the 64-bit. I'll explain you in the video why we are downloading both of them. If you are the 32-bit user, you just have to download the 32-bit version. Let me download both of them. Once it download in your PC, as you can see, this one is the 64-bit version and this is the 32-bit version. So let me open this folders. To understand it better, let me change the name in here. This one is the 64-bit and this one is the 32-bit. Now as you have downloaded both of the bit version files, after downloading both of the files, we have to perform the step 4. Paste msvcp140.dll files in system32 and syswow64 folders. As I am a 64-bit version user, I have to paste these files on both of the folder. Let me show you that. But before that, let me open both of the folders in here so that you can understand it properly. Alright, as you can see, this file is the 64-bit and this one is 32-bit. To paste these files in system32 and syswow64 folder, click on this PC. Click on local disk, open the Windows folder. Here you have to search two folders. One is system32 and the second one is syswow64. Here I like to explain few things to 32-bit users. If you are the 32-bit user, then you have to paste 32-bit in system32. You do not have to paste any file in syswow64. As I am a 64-bit user, I'm gonna use both of the folder and I need to paste both of the file in here. In system32, I have to paste the 64-bit file. Let me copy this. Do a right click in the folder and select paste. Click on continue. Alright, it's done. Now open syswow64, copy the 32-bit file and paste in here. If you'll get this screen, the destination already has a file renamed msvcp140.dll, then click on replace the file in the destination. Because that file might be corrupted or broken, that's why it's not working correctly. So it's really important for us to replace the file in the destination. Click continue. Alright, that's how you have to paste both of the files. Step 5. Download Visual Studio. This problem is related to the Visual Studio, so that's why we need to download the Visual Studio in our PC. For that, open the Google Chrome. Once you'll be on this page, type in here Download Visual Studio C++ and press enter. As you can see the results in here, you have to click the latest supported Visual C++ downloads. Click on it. As you can see this page, the latest supported Visual C++ downloads. Scroll it down. Here as you can see x86, x64. If you are a 32-bit user, then click on this one. As I am a 64-bit user, I'll click on this one. After downloading the file, open it. Here, check this box and click on install. It asks UAC permission, means user account control. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your devices? Click yes. Once it's done, click on close, and that's all you have to do to fix msvcp140.dll missing error. Leave your feedback in the comment section if our troubleshooting step fixed your problem. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.